are going to love the 2018 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, CD player, brake assist, day and night rear view mirror, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.